Namaste. I, JVN Dr. M.P. Sharma, Professor, Department of Physiology and Biochemistry. My today's topic is Introduction of Physiology. Physiology is the most fascinating and ancient branch of science, and it is fascinating because its for unfolds the mysteries of complicated functional aspect of the individual organs in the body. And it is the ancient because it exists ever since the origin of life. Even before knowing the language, culture, society, man knew about the hunger, thirst, pain, and fear, which are the most, which are the basics of the physiology. Physiology is defined as the study of functions of the various systems and different organs of the body. The origin of the life of the great mystery in the universe. To determine the origin of life, scientists are investigating the problems in several different ways. Physiology is the different type of, namely human physiology, animal physiology, and plant physiology. Animal physiology is the scientific study of the life supporting properties, functions, and the process of animals or their parts. The discipline covers key homeostatic process such as the regulation of the treatment, temperature, regulation of temperature, blood flow, and hormones. Homeostatic homeostasis and temperature control. By this flow chart, we can see the body temperature and body temperature rise above normal and it drops below normal. How it happens due to the homeostasis and temperature regulation. Now, plants have many different uses, but how do the plants develop seeds and how do they grow? And this is very where plants physiology comes into play. Plant physiology is the study of how different plant functions. It includes many aspects of the plant's life, including mutation, movement, and growth. Human physiology and animal physiology are very much interrelated. Knowledge of human physiology is essential to understand the other allied subjects like biochemistry, pharmacology, pathology, medicines. However, it is the worthwhile to have a brief knowledge of anatomy and anatomy of different systems of. However, it is worth while to have a brief knowledge of anatomy and different systems, various organ of understand the principles of human physiology. The basic physiological functions include provision of oxygen and nutrients, removal of metabolite, and other waste products, maintenance of the blood pressure and body temperature. The branch of science concerned with the chemical and physiochemical processes and substances which occur which within living organism. The process of the substances with which the science of the biochemistry is concerned, abnormal brain abnormal brain biochemistry, and biochemistry is the application of the chemistry of the study of biological processes and the beginning of the 20th century when scientists combines chemistry, physiology and biology to investigating the chemistry of living system, the branch of the medicine concerned with the uses of the effects and modules of actions, the drugs. In general, term of the pharmacology is the science of drug action on the biological problems, and it effects and therapeutics drugs are uses drugs. A branch of medicine which explains the nature and cause of the disease. Pathology also involves the study bodily changes that occurs as the result of disease. Human pathology designed brief authoritative information of the clinico-pathological significance or to human disease to the laboratory and clinical physical. The physician, clinical physician, and it presents information drawn on the morphological and clinical laboratory studies which direct relevance to the understanding of human diseases. It presents information draw on the morphological clinical study, laboratory studies with the direct relevant of the understanding of the human diseases. Pathology is the study of the diagnosis of the disease through examination of drugs. And now these are the human body parts which we will see through this. Medicine is the science and practice of the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of the disease. The word medicine is derived from the Latin medicus. Those who choose the study medical degrees will need a strong interest in the science along with the passion for helping others, and it is combination. What is the medicine? Medical medical practice is generally defined as the being of the science and practice of the diagnosis treatment. A residency program may last from 3 years, 3 to 8 years, depending upon the residence, while general surgery takes 5 years. Now, hunger and thirst, locomotor functions, spatial sensory functions, reproduction, and the higher intellectual functions of the learning and memories. The branch of the biology deals with the relation of the interaction between the organisms and their environment, including other organisms, and it is also called human ecology, the branch of the sociology concerned with the spatial spacing, the independence of the people institution. Changes in the genetic composition of a population during successive generation. Mutation is the origin of the all new genetic diversity occurring where there are production of packaging genetic information within the cell. Now diffusion. The movement of ions of the molecules from the an area of higher concentration to an area of low concentration. Small molecules or the ions can move across the cell membrane by diffusion compared to the osmosis. Human physiology is usually studied under the following headings: general physiology, blood and body fluids, muscle physiology, digestive system, renal physiology and excretion, endocrinology, reproductive system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system and environmental physiology, nervous system and spatial senses. Structure of cell membrane, cytoplasm and Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, reticulum, chloroplast. Organelles with the limiting membrane, DNA and RNA, including nucleus. Genes. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of the heredity. Genes which are made up on DNA act as a instruction to the make molecules called proteins. In human, genes vary in size from few hundred DNA base on more than 2 million bases. Ribonucleic acid, RNA, growth factor. Thank you.